Hi learners, in this video I am going to quickly walk you through creating a new instances of notebook in Amazon SageMaker. So in Amazon AWS, whichever services we are going to use, it's require a IAM policy, like it provide the access policy that service what service can be used through that IAM. So in order to that, I'm going to just create one IAM. So it will be attached with the SageMaker and allow the policies to what policies Amazon SageMaker can use. So in this series, I am clicking on IAM. You can search in the search bar, land in the IAM. Just to go to here, just click on rules. So here there are different roles already have been created in my account. So here you can click on create a role. It will take you to the new role. So there are so many options available here. You can also create custom by just managing the JSON. So I'm going with the AWS services use case, like in which services I'm going to use this IAM, right? So I'm just searching for SageMaker because I'm going to create a notebook instance in SageMaker. So I just click SageMaker. So it will give allow SageMaker notebook instances, training jobs, models, and everything. So all written here. Then I'll hit on next. See, this is the permission policies. SageMaker. If you expand, you'll be able to see the policies. See everything in the JSON format. The action which is allowed for this. Now I will just click next. Here it will say to choose the just IAM role name. So at the later point of time, we can just point to this IAM role using that name. So there are the instruction giving how can we choose. If you are learning, means not in a corporate life, then you can choose anything. But if you are in a corporate world, then your company might have provided some rules. Just go through the documentations and then choose accordingly the name of the IAM role or other services in a series. So that's because I am using just Pinto, like for Pinto Kumar, and this is like I can use dash as at rate. I am using dash. It's a SageMaker. Sorry, SageMaker, the policy's name. So I can use. And there are other different add policies if you want to add anything later point of time, if you want to add an S3 kind, because if you are learning SageMaker, then you are going to perform some machine learning things. So training the models, you require a data. So in this policy, if you attach that permission to SageMaker also. So IAM role is basically that give you just permissions by using this role. What other permissions, policies or services of AWS you can use. So here a tag, it's play important role in searching because I'm just doing on my personal, so I will not give any tag. But if you are in a corporate life, your company might have provided some rule to tag. Tag are basically, it helps to search or filter out the things in a greater way. So using tag is very important, but now I'm not using. You can just click on tag. You can give the key anything, like your corporate world has provided value, and the value, like some companies do, like it gets the username, like my name Pinto Kumar. So whatever they have assigned you role, in that role, what's your username, key, and then some group type of thing. Then we can add more also here. So make sure if you are watching this and you are in corporate life, then it will play an important role. Just go through the documentation or ask from your learning team what to do. For now I'm just removing, just creating the role. So see, role already has been created. In later point of time you can see the role this. And if you want to add policies in this, like if you want to add policies, attach something, like I want to attach notebook, hit enter, search, it will get the console SageMaker notebook for full access. You can add this, then attach to the policies, and it will reflect that the policy successfully has been attached. Now after doing this, we'll move to the SageMaker. So in the search bar, type just SageMaker, right? This is the console of SageMaker, the learning things. You can learn the things from here also. For now I'm just focusing on creating the first notebook. So I'll go here, notebook instances, just click on this, create new notebook instance, and just give I'm just following Pintu Kumar, like in this first so some typo. So you can choose the instance type, like if you wanna medium or anything large or something. I'm going with the default. For here also, the if you are just watching from the corporate, working in the corporate, they also provide some documentation to keep the cost low, because they give a tutorial up to some cost only. So they try to keep the cost cutting things. And if you are from the personal, then go for this only. Now what I do, Amazon role maker, so it automatically suggests if you create IAM role, it's a very important. You'll have to choose, otherwise you won't be able to create the notebook instances. So in this, just click there. If I have already created that, so I'm selecting this role and I'm going. And if you have something Git repository, you can add this here, like some tutorials are also available. For this I'm not adding any Git repository, so I'm going with this only. And again that tag plays important role if you are in the corporate world. So if you're watching from some company, then just follow this key and value pair, whatever the company has been suggested to you, to filter out the things, right? For now I'm going with just you can choose anything. For now I'm not this is a personal market, so I'm not using, but if you are in a corporate life, just follow the what key and value pair you do, right? So I'm going to create a notebook. So successfully notebook has been created. Its status is pending. It takes some time to come in the service. Once after some times it will be available here, like it is in the service. Just click there and you'll be able to just enjoy the things. So after waiting for some times, now the status is in service. Just you can click here, open Jupyter, it's loading. Like from here you can select many things, like for what purpose you are using this. For now I'm using just for Kunda Python 3. I'm going with Kunda Python 3. It's opening in new tab. Now Kunda Python 3 has been enabled for just it's taking time to connect to the kernel. So kernel is ready. Now I can print something. Hello world. Right, just shift enter to run, and this is how your notebook has been created. So thank you for watching. Happy coding. See you soon.